Imagine a world where darkness is no longer an obstacle and your eyes can display information as if you're living inside a high-tech video game. Welcome to the realm of bionic eye implants, a revolution in vision technology that's turning science fiction into reality. These sophisticated devices are not only promising to restore sight to the visually impaired, but also to enhance human vision with capabilities such as night vision and data overlay. Before we dive into the depths of this fascinating subject, take a second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you won't miss any upcoming explorations into the world of futuristic technology. And if this topic ignites your curiosity, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section below. Now, let's zoom in on the bionic eye. This technologically advanced solution is a type of visual prosthesis intended to provide vision by electrically stimulating neural connections in the eye or the brain in people who have lost their sight. Bionic eyes are currently at the frontier of neuroscience and engineering, blending the capabilities of electronic devices with the human body's complex biology. The journey to create a bionic eye began with a simple goal: to aid those with vision impairments. Yet, as with many leaps in technology, aspirations quickly move beyond restoration towards augmentation. Researchers and tech enthusiasts are now envisioning a future where bionic eye implants might give us superhuman abilities, such as seeing in complete darkness or projecting relevant data onto our field of view. To understand how this could be possible, we first need to delve into the mechanics of vision. Our eyes work by capturing light and translating it into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. Bionic eye implants mimic this process through a camera that captures visual input, which is then processed by a microchip and converted into a pattern of electrical pulses. These pulses stimulate the retina's remaining cells, sending signals to the brain that it learns to interpret as sight. Night vision, a hot topic in the realm of bionic eyes, traditionally relies on thermal imaging or light amplification. By integrating similar technology into an implant, we can theoretically enable the human eye to see in the dark. Now, imagine a firefighter navigating through smoke-filled environments, or a surgeon being able to see in low-light conditions without additional tools. The applications are limitless. Data overlay, on the other hand, involves projecting information directly into the wearer's visual field. Think of it like a heads-up display, HUD, in video games or cars, but instead of being on a screen, it's in your vision. This means that without looking at a phone or computer screen, you could see directions, read texts, or access vital information hands-free. The possibilities here extend into education, military, medicine, and even day-to-day life, merging the digital and physical worlds in ways we've only begun to imagine. How close are we to making these visions a reality? Companies and researchers worldwide are working tirelessly to make bionic eye implants safe, efficient, and accessible. Currently, several bionic eye systems have been either approved for clinical use or are undergoing trials. These systems, such as the Argus Eye Retinal Prosthesis System and Bionic Vision Australia's devices, primarily focus on restoring basic vision shapes and light perception to individuals with certain types of blindness. Enhancing vision with night vision and data overlay involves a complex set of challenges, ranging from biocompatibility to the seamless integration with our neural circuitry. It's not just about creating a device that can sit comfortably in the eye, but also about one that can communicate with the brain in a language it understands. This has led to the intersection of fields such as nanotechnology, neurology, and computer science. One exciting area of progress is in the development of materials that can reliably interface with the human body without causing adverse reaction. Scientists are experimenting with soft, flexible materials that can wrap around the eye's curvature and move with it, reducing the risk of irritation or damage. These materials also need to be durable enough to last a lifetime, resistant to body fluids, and capable of housing miniature electronic components. Furthermore, to integrate capabilities like night vision and data overlay, the implant's electronics must be exceptionally sophisticated. a need to be able to process high-resolution images and data nearly instantaneously so that the user doesn't experience lag or disruption in their sight. This requires the development of tiny yet powerful processors and algorithms that can translate complex information into a form that's comprehensible and useful for the brain. But let's not forget a crucial piece of the puzzle, the power source. A bionic eye must be powered in order to function, and ensuring a steady, long-term energy supply is a significant hurdle. Solutions such as wireless inductive charging, where the device is powered through electromagnetic fields, or even harvesting energy from body heat or movements, are being explored. While the bionic eye might sound like a gadget straight out of a spy movie, it's important to remember the profound impact it could have on people's lives. Restoring sight to the blind or visually impaired is an invaluable gift, and enhancing sight has the potential to change the way we interact with our world. Imagine professionals with augmented abilities performing tasks with greater precision, or individuals navigating complex environments with additional visual support. This technology also raises important ethical questions. Should we enhance our natural abilities with technology, and if so, to what extent? Will such enhancements be accessible to everyone or only a privileged few? How will this change our perception of what's normal or necessary for survival and success in the future world? As we journey through this exploration, remember to like this video if you're finding the content intriguing. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest in futuristic technology, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss out on new discoveries that make you rethink the limits of human potential. In conclusion, bionic eye implants offering night vision and data overlay represent an exhilarating frontier in both medical science and human enhancement. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, the vision of a future where we can not only restore sight, but also surpass the natural limits of human vision is rapidly coming into focus. As this technology evolves, it brings with it the promise of a world where the darkness is illuminated and the line between the digital and physical increasingly blurs, reshaping our human experience in profound and exciting way. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the future of vision technology. If you've enjoyed this journey, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Would you enhance your vision with a bionic eye? For more content on the incredible world of futuristic technology, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep looking forward to a brighter, more visually captivating future,